Wali. I'm back again with beautiful jute tussar sarees. So in this session we are going to sew pure jute tussar silk sarees, and here comes the first saree I'm wearing on. So this is with a bright shade of red and black on borders. So in this session we are having a discount of 5% on the sarees. Each and every saree is shown. So on complete saree we have got zari checks with gold. Also if you observe, we have got Kalnita mixed work on this red and black on complete saree, and this is how the pallu looks like. It's too pretty in live, and the shining is very decent shine. So on complete sari we have got the zari checks lines, single checks lines on the sari. When it comes to border, we have three checks lines on borders. Let's have a look at the mannequin pieces on display. Here comes the first piece on mannequin with cream and black on borders. So on complete sari we have got zari lines, zari checks boxes with gold. So on borders we have mixed color black on borderline and brown on complete borders. So this is a mixture of cream and brown and black on borderlines. So let's see the second piece in display. We have a beautiful shade of orange with grey on borders. So on complete sari we have a very decent zari shine with borders as well. So this shine is carried to borders. So these are pure jute tussar saris. So the pure tussar jute saris with a discount of 5% on the MRP. So now I'll be start showing the saris, but the price which I read on is the not final price. We're having a discount of 5% on each and every sari shown in this video. As the discount sale goes till 31st of August, this is a part of discount sale. So guys, let's hurry up and see the collection. Here comes the first piece. So we have apple green and cream on borders for the sari. Hope I'm loud enough today. So we even have a simple thread work on complete sari. Do respond if the voice is not clear or the video is not clear. So this is the complete sari. We have a thread work with green and yellow on the bottom part of the sari. Here is the pallu in yellow. So when it comes to borderline, we have cream, and on complete sari it's in green apple color, and on borders we have bright shade of yellow with a contrast yellow colored blouse. So price for this tussar sari is 7,250 rupees only. So these are pure tussar saris, pure jute tussar. So you can look at the quality and the decent zari shine on the saris. So here comes another color with beige and red on borders. So we even have a small thread kind of work on complete sari with black color thread. And on borders we have zari with black on border lines of two sides of the border. Here comes the pallu in lighter shade of red. So we have beige and red on borders. Also on pallu we have got red color. So we even have lines in black. Here comes the blouse. So if you clearly observe, we have two colors on this, black and red. Kalita mixed work is here on the saris too. Price for this is 7,050 rupees only. So guys, in our Mugdha stores there is a sale going on from very long time, and the sale is still on till 31st of August in all our Mugdha stores. So please do visit our stores. And here comes another beautiful shade of beige with pink on borders. The pink on borders is very light. So very lightly designed pink shade on two sides of the border. I'm not sure if it's visible in live because the pink color is too light and very decent in live. So it gives a royal classic look. And on complete sari, if you clearly observe, we're having differently designed thread work patterns. So on this saree we have a long dotted lines with a diamond shaped booty. So this is all thread work, pure Resham thread work on pure tussar sarees with pallu. So on pallu it's a mixture of gold and rose gold. Two different zari work is visible on the pallu. And here is the rose gold color on blouse. Coming to price details, it costs 7,250 rupees only. So here are the helpline numbers. If you have liked any saree, please do take a screenshot of that and share us on the WhatsApp number given here. Also for Google Pay, we have numbers available here. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Video shipped throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up in choosing and placing orders. Let's see the rest of the collection. So we have got all decent colors with a very decent shine on it. So the gold shine is too good, looking too pretty in light. So here we have pink and green. We even have green on two sides of the border with pink in between. So on complete saree we have got a bells kind of work with pink color thread. Here comes the pallu in green. So this is olive green and onion pink color shade with blouse. So this is a pastel grey colored blouse. So we have all different shades of grey, pink and green. Price for this is 7,450 rupees only. Hello everyone. So a very good morning to all the USA customers. And hi everyone. Hi Namita. Hi Namita Garu. Hello Andy. A very good morning to you. So, hi Spurti. Hello Sangeeta Garu. Thank you so much. So these sarees are pure tussar jute sarees. So this is a pure work and here is the saree I'm wearing on with red and black. So you can see two colors on the saree as well. So it's a mix of Kalneta, mixed work. So if you are looking for any specific colors, please do ping us here. Hi Purnima. Hello Shweta. So yeah, let's all get back to collection. So we have different patterns here. So the first one is the one which I'm wearing on with checks, and the second one is with the different designs with thread, and here comes the third one. Entire saree will be plain, but on borders we have got a brighter shine of gold on two sides of the border. So we have darker shade of chili red on this one with black on other side of the border. Also there is a beautiful shine with zari. Here comes the pallu. So here is a mixed work, Kalneta mixed work, two different colors on this blouse, red and black. Let's see price for the saree. So price for this is 8,050 rupees only. So this is very similar to what I'm wearing on. The one which I'm wearing is red and black, and here comes darker shade of grey and black with simply designed zari checks. So we have got checks boxes all over the saree with gold. This is how the saree looks like. So if if you properly drape it, the sarees are too good and very comfortable to handle. So on the other side of the border, we have a slight temple design. Also checks lines with 3 to 4 lines we have on borders. But when it comes to saree body, it's a single checks line. And here we have a simple border with zari. This is a pallu with a Kalneta mixed work on the blouse, grey and black. So we are seeing 2 different shades on this, grey with black. Hope the shades are visible in video too. Price for this is 8,050 rupees only. So we have 2 different shades on this saree. So in the middle we have pink. And on the sides where we have border, there's a beige color. When it comes to borderline, we have black. This is how the saree looks like with blouse. So we have a grey colored blouse with black on borders. And also we have lines with threads on complete saree spreaded over. This is how the saree looks like, too pretty in life, and these are pure tussar silk jute sarees. And here is the blouse. Price for this one is 7,050 rupees only. So the starting range is from 7k, as these are pure tussar jute sarees. So the material is pure tussar jute. So here comes golden shade with pink on borders. So on complete saree, it's a mix of gold and yellow color. Also we have lines with thread in between. So we have got 3 lines placed as a staircase. With pink on 2 sides of the border. Here comes the pallu. So on complete pallu, it is designed as a staircase. With blouse. So we have a contrast colored blouse for the saree. This is the blouse. And price for this is 7,250 rupees only. Comes another beautiful shade of cream with black on one side, other side of the border. One side it's a plain border with zari on it, and also on complete saree the shine looks like a raw silk material shine, how the raw silk shines. So we have got a same shine on this saree too. And on borders we have a differently designed work with thread. So it's a little bit big border of 13 inch. And here comes the complete saree with pallu. So there is a 5% discount on the MRP which I read out on each and every saree which I am showing here. So guys, please be choosy and look at the sarees carefully, because we have got similar colors with the different design patterns. Price for this is 8,050 rupees. Also we have 5% discount on this MRP of 8,050. For orders, here are the helpline numbers. If you have liked any saree, please to take a screenshot of it and share us on this WhatsApp number. Regarding the colors or any other inquiries, you can reach out to us on this number. Our team would love to assist you and help you in placing orders. We do have shipping throughout the globe, so guys, hurry up in placing orders, because the sarees are too good in life and very comfortable to handle. Let's see our rest of the collection. So this is complete black. So far we have seen lighter shades. So on the other side of the border we have red color, and one side it's black with gold. When we look at the turning border, we have red with a beautiful design and golden shine on it. Here is a complete saree look. With pallu in red and a contrast red and red colored blouse. We even have black on this. It's a mixed work kalneta. Price for this is 8,050 rupees with a 5% discount on the MRP. Let's see the next one. So here comes another beautiful shade of yellow. So we have got Ganga Jamuna borders for the saree. On one side we have a green color border with golden shine, and complete saree looks like a raw silk material. And on other side we have a red colored border, chili red. So two differently colored borders, one side is green and other side is red. In between we have yellow. So all three beautiful colors are in this saree. Just have a look at this pallu with a beautifully designed contrast colored blouse. So far we have seen all contrast blouses. Price for this is 8,050 rupees, also with a discount of 5% on the MRP. So the prices which I read out are not the final prices. You are getting 5% discount on each and every saree on the MRP. Here comes peach with beige on borders. When it comes to borderline, we have black on two sides of the border. Also on saree body we have black colored threads. Here is the pallu. So complete pallu is designed with lines, which gives you a very decent look with blouse. Price for the saree is 7,050 rupees only. So any age group can prefer these sarees as these are too comfortable. So it all depends on the blouse styling, how you style upon. Here we have grey with pink on borders of two sides. So also we have got a staircase kind of work with 3 steps on complete saree. This is how the saree looks like, too pretty in life. So I'm in love with all these sarees as they are too comfortable. With pallu in pink, and here goes the blouse. So we have got a contrast blouse for this as well. It's a baby pink. Here is the blouse, starts from here. Price is 7,250 with a 5% discount on the MRP. So we have peacock blue in this saree as well. So guys, hurry up when we have got peacock blue or rama green kind of sarees, because these sarees are hot selling sarees. So on complete saree we have got checks, lines. So we have got 3 checks lines for the saree. When it comes to border, we have a temple design on border with rama green. This is how the saree looks like with blouse. So the blouse is also beautifully designed with rama green, and also we have checks for this. Here is the complete look. Here comes the pallu. And price for the sari is 8,050 rupees with a discount of 5% on it. So this is very similar to what I'm wearing on. So we have darker shade of grey and black on borders. Just have a look at this pretty color. With pallu. So these are very two traditionally looking colors but too beautiful. We have blouse in black with zari checks on it as well. Price is 8,050 rupees only. Here comes green, sea green with yellow on borders. Also on borderline we have another different color with parrot green. So there are three different colors: yellow, sea green and parrot green on borderline. So also we have a staircase kind of work with thread on complete sari. Here comes the pallu with blouse. So we have a parrot green colored blouse. Price for this is 7,250 rupees with a discount of 5% on the MRP. Here comes a cream colored sari with black on borders. So if you can see this properly, we have got three zari lines designed in the form of checks boxes. Also on borders we have a temple work with black. Here we have a simple border with gold and zari. This is how the sari looks like. With pallu. And here is the blouse, which is beautifully designed with checks. Price for this is 8,050 rupees only. So we have a single colored sari here. It's fully designed in grey. Also we have rocket jet plane kind of motifs placed on this sari in lighter shade of grey. So here we have this differently designed booties in the form of a jet plane. Just have a look at the sari. Too pretty. And on borders we have zari shine, a decent zari shine on two sides of the border. With pallu. And here goes the blouse. So the blouse is designed in sky blue, lighter shade of sky blue. Price for this is 7,250 rupees with a discount of 5% on the MRP. So I've been repeating this sentence from the very beginning of the video. The prices which I read out are not the final price. We have a 5% discount on the MRP which I read on. Here comes another beautiful shade of green. Rama green is here with a simple zari on one side, and on other side we have a black colored border with zari on it, and on borderline we have a beautiful shade of green, leaf green on borderlines. Here is the pallu with leaf green colored blouse. Let's see the price. So the price is 8,050 rupees on it. So here comes a black colored sari with zari checks on complete sari. So this is too pretty in live, very beautiful. Just have a look at this sari clearly. This is how the blouse looks like. We have a brighter shade of hot pink on blouse and also on borders. So the hot pink is on blouse and on borders. Also we have pallu in hot pink. Such a pretty color combination, black with hot pink. Let's see the price for the sari. It costs 8,050 rupees with a discount of 5% on the MRP. So we have another shade of green apple and cream on borders. When it comes to borderline, we have a lighter shade of green. Also we have bells kind of design on borders. This is how the sari looks like, and this is the last piece for today's session with pallu. And here comes lime green color, lime green on blouse. Price for this is 7,450 rupees with a discount of 5% on each and every sari. So today in this session we have shown many beautiful color combinations in pure tussar jute silk saris. So hope you have liked our collection, and also there is a 5% discount on the saris. The MRP which I have been reading out throughout the session is not the final MRP. We have 5% discount on it. I've been repeating this line so many times. So guys, hurry up and be choosy in your orders. Here are the helpline numbers. If you have liked any sari, please take a screenshot of it and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team would love to assist you in placing orders. Regarding the payment, we have Google Pay contacts. Also you can ping us here regarding the payment. That's it in this session. See you all in tomorrow's live. This is Vali signing off for today. Bye bye.